So we got this beautiful picture of this Ferrari 599 GTB. Don't like this background though here. The trees are great. I did move it. We did move the car around, but just for the sake of experiments, I am picking the lasso tool and I am circling. I'm giving it a bit of the trees because that's kind of what I want it to use. And then I am going around here and then I'm linking it back up. So that is our selection. Just click Generative Fill. We're in Photoshop beta, by the way, in case anybody's wondering. Hit that generate button. Let's go. Let's see what it gives us. Come on. This is for sale, by the way, if anybody wants it. 139,000 of your best English pounds. Oh, that's a bit weird. What is going on here? We've got another option. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Random breeze block at the top. Not too keen on that. Oh. I don't hate that because it means I can just clone this bit up here if my phone would focus. Yeah, we could go with that one. Or you can always ask it just to generate again, and it will give you more options. The options, the variations, appear in a window down here. So none of it is destructive. It's all completely in layers, like Photoshop should be. Look at his wheels. Alternatively, if somebody wants to give me 140 grand, I would quite happily give it to Fleming Specialist Cars. That's interesting. Don't hate that. It's got a bit of sun because it knows where the sun's coming from here, right? Which is super clever. It's already seen the shadows on the trees, so it's gone a bit more shadowy here, light, and then it's got the sun flare coming up here. Don't hate that. I've gone a bit more industrial with some random brick wall, but no, not really on my list. Oh, I don't hate that. I don't hate that. That stupid. What is that? We're back to the beginning. So we've got I think we're better off. Which one? 1 or 6?